Alright, listen up. If you're trying to grab that shiny new legend title in the squad builder mode, this is the video you need. I literally just got mine yesterday, and I'm gonna walk you through exactly what I did. My personal tips, my sneaky little tricks, and how you can snag it fast without overthinking it. No fluff, just real stuff that actually works. Let's go. Alright, correction time. Gotta own up to it. Because I love y'all, and I never want to mislead anyone. In my last video, I said if you just beat the boss with blue-colored champs, you'll get the legend title. Yeah, nah, that was wild. Truth is, that video was made before I even touched the mode properly. But now, I've played it, I've figured it out, and I've got that legend title locked in. So in this one, I'm giving you the real deal. Everything you need to get it for yourself. Let's fix this the right way. So at first, I tried going the normal route, but man, it was so boring. The fights were way too easy, and the squads showing up, completely random. I'm talking, I got so close, like literally one card away from the legend title. And then boom, Kabam hits me with that classic RNG nonsense. Like they know you're about to be happy, and they just slide in some random trash instead. If you've been through that pain too, trust me, I feel you. But here's the good part. I actually found a way around that madness. Some real solid tips and tricks that helped me finally grab that title, and I'm about to break it all down for you. Alright, so let's talk about the two factions that actually give you the legend title. These are the ones you gotta build before you take down the final boss. Now, I know some people out there are saying you can match certain numbers and symbols, even in different colors, and still get the title. But honestly, I didn't fully understand all that. For me, it was the yellow faction that did the trick, just so you know. And now, I'm about to share the exact tips and tricks I followed to get it. Stick with these during your run, and you're gonna grab that legend title in no time. Tip number 1. Once you've claimed all your milestones and you're just waiting on the reset, stick to the 10 energy option. Trust me on this. After those milestones are done, your focus should be all in on that legend title. And for that, you need volume. More runs means more chances to get that perfect squad. Why waste 30 energy for one go when you can run it 3 times for the same cost? Simple math, right? So yeah, that's my first tip. And I know it might sound like something everyone's already doing, but hang tight. My next tips, they've got some heat. Tip number 2. If you want to boost your chances of landing the right faction for that legend title, here's what I did. I burned a few refills and just kept restarting runs using the 10 energy option over and over until I got at least 3 cards from the legend faction right at the start. Like in that first random champ selection, you need at least 3 of those cards to be from the same faction. If you get that, boom, you've got way better odds of pulling the last 2 later and finishing the set. If not, back out, reset, go again. It's all about setting yourself up from the start. Tip number 3, and this one's super important. The reason I keep saying you need at least 3 cards from the legend faction right at the start is because you only get 3 swap chances. That's it. Just 3 shots to switch things up and land the full squad. So if you're starting with 3 or more, you've already got a major head start. Less than that, and you're basically gambling. Always aim to start strong. It seriously boosts your odds. This exact strategy is what helped me lock in my own legend title. I stuck to it, and boom, it worked. Honestly, I just kept resetting the first random card set every single time until I saw at least 3 of the cards I needed. Yeah, you can keep playing through it normally, but let's be real, it gets super boring once you've claimed all the rewards. So if you're really serious about locking in that permanent legend title, I 100% recommend following these tips and tricks. They worked for me, and they'll save you a lot of wasted time and energy. This is hands down the easiest way we've ever had to get the legend title. We all remember how crazy hard it used to be, right? Now Kabam's made it way easier. Maybe just for this event, maybe just once to build the hype. Either way, you do not want to sleep on this. Get in, follow these tricks, and secure that title while it's hot. Alright, quick recap just to lock it all in. Here's what you need to do to grab that legend title in Squad Builder, step by step. 1. Play with the 10 energy option once you've claimed all the milestones. Why? Because you get more attempts for less energy, more runs equal more chances to land the perfect squad. 2. Reset until you see at least 3 cards from the Legend faction in the first random selection. Don't waste time playing full runs with weak setups. It's all about efficiency. 3. You only get 3 swaps, so starting with 3 or more matching cards gives you a real shot at finishing the full 5-card faction. Starting with 1 or 2, you're basically gambling. 4. There are only 2 specific factions that give the Legend title, so make sure you're building one of those. For me, it was the yellow faction. Don't stress over weird color matching rumors, just focus on what works. 5. Keep resetting that first screen until you land 3+ cards from one of those factions. Then build from there and beat the boss. That's how I got mine, and if I can do it, so can you. This whole setup might seem a bit grindy, but trust me, it's the easiest chance we've had to grab the Legend title. Use it while it lasts. Now, the final tip. I used to literally keep watching the factions list just to make the right calls while building my squad. What I did was take a quick screenshot of the factions, minimize it, and then check it every time I swapped a card, just to make sure I was staying on track and not messing it up. Or, if that feels like too much, you can just tap the PTS Points button in-game to see all the factions listed right there. Either way, you have to know what faction you're building toward, because guessing won't get you the Legend title. Go in with a plan, stay locked in, and you're golden. And that's it. That's everything I did to finally secure my Legend title, and now you've got the full blueprint. So go out there, build smart, reset like a pro, and grab that title before this window closes. If this helped you out, even a little, drop a like, share it with your squad. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more guides, breakdowns, and all the madness we cover on this channel. Legend title is waiting. Go claim it.